Okay, today we're putting together another track section, and that is go ahead and show you. Basically, I've taken a paper clip and taken these 3D printed track sections that I showed you in the earlier video, placing them together. I run the paper clip through while it's still all in one piece to clear the hole till it just starts coming out the top there. Then I'll back it off and I grab my snips and I get it right there at the end. I pull that out a bit and then snip it off because I want it short enough so that when it's pushed into place it doesn't stick out here and it doesn't stick out here, and yet the two parts are hinged together. And do that 48 times and you end up with another one of these. Now what I'm doing here is I'm gluing on the little TPU traction pieces. I'm just doing them for cosmetic. I don't need them for traction for a toy. And I take the super glue. In this case, the tip has been worn off through the years. It's huge now, so it's hard to get a little teeny bead on here, but I'll try. And like I say, you get one shot at placing this in the right location, because that super glue just locks down, and boom, just like that. I'd already done all those. I've only got these few left to do here. I'll do a couple more. You can kind of see the gist of it. I guess I'm on camera. I can't obviously be running super glue in these little parts and staring at the viewfinder of the camera at the same time. Alright. Best thing is if you mess up, I always print a few extra track links and a few extra of the rubber parts, and then just go back and fix it. Now, on this tread section, let's see, I'm going to move this up a little so it's easier for me. I've built the detail parts. So for example, the outside of it, this would have this piece glued on there once I figure out what I'm going to hook it to, and on the inside leg part it'll have this piece glued on it. Now obviously if you wanted to bring out the details, you would paint this like they did in the movie. I'd paint this maybe a light blue and this part black, the rest of these parts gray, and it'll give you more definition. I still need to make the part that goes across here. There's a piece that bridges from here to here, covers that, and has some detail. In the actual Johnny 5 prop, that detail was a cap that covered electronics for the drive motors and stuff. So I'll have to make that yet and paint one up. So in the next video, like I said, I'm still waiting for the motors to arrive so we can actually test this to make sure it works right. So I can't really tell you for sure what the next video will be. It'll either be with the motor testing that, or it might be these parts painted to see the detail better. But in any case, stay tuned.